Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is new guidelines for pharma companies. Recently, the Indian government has mandated the implementation of revised good manufacturing practices by pharmaceutical companies. The revised GMP standards were brought in line with the World Health Organization standards in 2018. Companies with a turnover of over Rs 250 crore must implement the revised GMP within 6 months, while medium and small-scale enterprises with turnover less than Rs 250 crore have a year to comply. Now let us look into the new guidelines. The implementation of revised GMP will lead to changes in the manufacturing process, including quality risk management, product quality review, and equipment validation. The new requirement involves storing drugs in a stability chamber with specific temperature and humidity settings. They must also carry out an accelerated stability test. The move aims to make India a quality pharmaceutical hub.